amazing improvement. Beautiful. Still a nice deep bath.
Absolutely.
But much
Still
more
a full-size bath, but by putting in a normal bath rather than the spa, we're able to take it back in line with the original doorway, which is where it would have been.
Yes.
Space didn't allow us to have a separate bath over shower, so that's why we've popped in the second bathroom. But we've again packed storage in here.
Yes,
you see that all of those. So we've recessed them into the walls to create that really streamlined and modern look.
Yes, I mean it looks narrow, but it's actually a bit deeper for
Yeah.
storage than it appears, which is beautiful, being sunken in. And look at the vanity, that's lovely.
Everything a family home needs.
Yes, yeah. No, it's really lovely. It's come up beautiful. Yeah,
No
love
more
it.
spa baths.
No, get rid of that spa bath.
Absolutely.
There's too much room.
Absolutely. All right, let's check it outside. Hey guys, Naomi here in the master bathroom, or the main bathroom of the Rapid Renovation Challenge. Now, we didn't actually make any huge layout changes in here at all, but the changes that we did make were quite clever. We had little to no storage in here. It had a tiny little wood grain vanity before. And so what we did is we put in a larger wall-hung vanity so that we could maximize the floor space. And by doing that, it gave the whole room a much bigger feel. The other thing we did to help with storage is we recessed in these cabinetry. Now, I know that I've shown you on a previous example how this works. We actually inserted the cabinetry halfway into the wall cavity, so it protrudes less, makes the space feel bigger, and gives us piles of storage packed in there. Our other big change is the spa bath. Spa bath be gone. What that's let us do is really update the space into a really slimline, modern feel, while still producing a bath and shower in a compact main bathroom. This place is full of light, and so to make sure that we weren't too white and too bright, we kept a gorgeous textured tile in here, and we continued that up the wall in the bathroom. That gives it an immense feeling of perceived value. And while we're onto value, I want to mention this is actually our original toilet in the bathroom. Looks like it was a couple of years old, nothing really wrong with it at all. So remember, reuse where possible. Don't be a demolition diva and get rid of things before you really need to. All in all, this update, although no massive format changes, has created so much value in this property because it has come up just stunning.